This is not a smartphone as you know it. This is Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the first to merge a pen with a phone. Galaxy Note is the power phone that forever changes how you work and play. Today's new normal demands a new device, so we made one.
Can you all see the PowerPoint?
Yeah. Bringing first-of-its-kind innovation to mobile for a new way to collaborate. This is not work as you know it. This is the power of a computer suite in your hand. Smart, fast and efficient, S Pen does what your computer can't. With 3 times faster latency, it responds just like a real pen, except it's got a brain. If your ideas start to take a turn, Note 20's AI uses millions of sample sentences to keep them right on track.
Hi, what do you need?
Audio Bookmark lets you sync audio to the notes you take, so that you can replay and pick up whatever you missed.
They're asking for 1920 by 1080.
Coupling S Pen's brainpower with Samsung Notes and MS integration, Note 20 does what your desktop doesn't. Now you can convert your notes to PowerPoint and share right from your couch. Open your notes on tablet or laptop, even sync to OneNote and Outlook to keep all your thoughts up to date.
Do you want to add anything?
Better yet, unleash your mobile apps on PC using linked windows. Drag and drop files from your phone on your desktop. Order lunch, catch up, run multiple mobile apps at once. You can even toggle across all your devices. Since life isn't just about work, you need the power to play. This is not just mobile gaming. This is Xbox gaming on your phone. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate gives you 100 plus Xbox games without download. Now you can play what you want, with who you want, thanks to 5G. Behind the scenes lies the only phone camera with pro-grade video. Shoot 8K with movie-like features that lets you change the zoom speed and skip the editing process, all from your phone. Take complete control of sound design with Audio Mic. Choose between front, action, omni, or use Buds Live on Bluetooth mode as a mic for extra clarity. Then simply point your Note 20 Ultra to another and share your masterpiece with UWB technology. It's that easy. You can watch on the big screen with Samsung DeX's wireless connection and do 2 things at once without interruption. This is not mobile tech as you know it. This is the power of performance. Note 20 Ultra's 120Hz display is super smooth, making it easier to see what's on your screen. And you get hours of screen time from just minutes of super fast charge. A full charge in the morning takes you into the night. This is not like any phone you've had. In fact, it's anything but. This is the ultimate power phone. The power to work and the power to play. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra.